Here comes Wally. Isabel and Wally. Made a little nest in the bush there. Don't mess with them. And these aren't growing back too good, but they're going. They're getting good. Up to the top. So. It's working. I got a 8x12 to work with. It's a yard. Tried everything. Tried growing grass, I put out wildflowers. That was cool. These wildflower seeds, this little packet, and they grew over like around there. And then those big buggers over there came in. Oh, what are you? One's like it's purple and yellow, and it's got a tinge of something. I don't know. I just don't like the color of it. But it's a weird looking orchid, but it's not an orchid because orchids are indoors. I forget the name of the plant. Tulips came out pretty good. They're popping over there. They're getting too big for the britches. They fall over. But you can just dig it up, cut them in half. It's a bug going to grow. And these little buggers are coming in on this side. They're really cool. White one, purple one. And yeah, I want to put pansies in those little ones. Yeah, what do they call it? Flower pots. So ornate. And they have like special writing on it. Like someone took a long time to do it. And that one took a bunch. That was it. It's made of clay and but now which colors? You know, that one and that one. Then I'll use the dirt to rebuild the track on the pot. And that's the saddest part. I have to buy dirt. Well, whatever. It's like plant dirt. Got stuff in it. I don't know. And I'm on a bike. So, whatever. So I have a bag. Yeah. Those little buggers. The birds do their thing. That's about that. We're definitely gonna run some cars. It's gonna crash. Maybe. And the birds just I don't get it. And there's like a sound in the background. Look. I haven't heard a train. Oh shit. Oh, beautiful. We got a ton of cardinals. Cardinals chilling. Ton of cardinals. The little sterlings are like trying to hold their ground here. Cardinals are right there. The blue jay came in earlier and down just that way. Sterlings are looking over. They're right there on the power lines. Shit, that's freaking action.